I'm out here on a little beach here, and this is the perfect spot for like a beach tent. This thing is not an actual tent, it's more like a beach shade. So any of the beaches where it says tents aren't allowed, you're totally fine with it. I'll show you right here what it looks like. So looking over it right here, this is the actual like tent itself right here. It's 51 inches high, it's 94 inches across, and 55 inches long ways that way. The packing size, you can see the size right here, is less than, I guess that's less than 3 feet, and it has, you know, a cool little carrying handle there. Very nice quality in the bag right here. The floor is 100% polyester, and the rain fly is 100% polyester. So it's an all polyester, and it weighs less than 7 pounds, and it is a very quick setup. Let me go ahead and get over there on the beach and show y'all how quickly I can set this up just by myself, because this is a single person setup, and let me show you how fast I can do that. Now I'm gonna have a little area right here. Let me go ahead and set it up. I'm going to set it up facing out that way because there's a lot of people over there. So just showing you how it works here. I've actually set this up and took it back down so I know exactly how much is on it. You get 2 little latches there for holding it down. Very good quality zipper. You can see how that zipper works right there. Very cool that they did that. And here's the tent shade itself. And inside the package, you get this little rope that ties it up right there, and a set of tent stakes. Gives you a set of instructions on how to do it. You can see you set it out flat. One person just pulls up the middle, locks in the arms, and then latches them, and you're good to go. So let me go ahead and do that now. Already you can see it's popping apart there. You want to fold these legs out like this, put them in this little thing right here, and they go in there and they kind of latch around. Let me tell you guys, this is super simple to set this thing up. When you first do it, it's going to kind of seem a little bit wonky, but after you do it a couple times, you can get pretty fast at it. If it comes out of these things right here, just make sure you got it right back down in there. Sometimes they will pop out of those. See, it wasn't that simple. That's probably like less than 5 minutes. Then you get these stakes right here, and see these little plastic pieces right here has a spot for a tent stake. So it makes it real easy to put tent stakes down. And if you guys are wondering what these pockets are for, check it out. You take sand, and see how you can weight this thing down, so on a windy day, isn't that cool? You can put sand down inside the pockets to make it even heavier. So they thought of everything on this thing. And check that out. There's windows in it, and then put your chair right in here like this. Windows in here. This thing is super high quality. I can tell you just by seeing the other ones that I've seen out here. You can roll this up and see these little pieces right there. They can roll up on there. You got a chair. Sit down in the chair. I'm inside the shade here. Check it out, everybody. Look how cool this is. And you can see how much shade I have here. There's the KingCamp outdoor tent shade. Highly recommend one of these for anybody that just wants to come out, hang out on the beach, not get sunburnt. So let me go ahead and get on the water, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Woo!